Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Parth and you are watching the fourth video of PowerPoint challenge series. So here we have a challenge of making this presentation, and in this presentation the animation added is zoom in the text box, and while we present the video also should keep on playing. We also have different version of this while we have a black background and the same text box. And you can even choose different color in the background with the same text box. So let us complete this challenge and I'll show you how to make this step by step. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into the video. So I am here in the blank presentation and let me delete these placeholders. And let us go to insert and let's insert a text box where we type awesome. Perfect. So let me increase its size to 115 and let us change the font style to this one. Still the fonts are small, so let me increase its size a bit. So I choose 138. So now I will merge this with video and I've chosen font in that way. So you can even choose font according to your convenience. Like for example, you can even choose Oswald or you can choose Impact font as well. But for the meantime, I have chosen this font. Now you can insert video in two ways. So you have an option of online videos as well. So you can choose video from online sources. But I have downloaded video in my system. So I'll click on this video in my PC. Then I will search for the desired location and I will select this video. I'll click on insert. And as soon as you insert the video, you have video tools open. Like for example, video format and playback. But for now, let us resize this video like this and send it to back. Now, as we are ready with our video and text box, we will merge these two objects. So for that, we need a merge shape option. So I have that available in my quick access toolbar. Here you can see merge shape. But if you don't have that in your quick access toolbar, then you will go to file. Then you will go to options. There you have an option of quick access toolbar. And by default, you have given a list of popular commands. But we will select this drop down and click on all commands. And in that, we will go to M. And in M, you will find merge shape option. You will click on this and add. I have already this in my quick access toolbar. So it is giving me a pop-up. You can see that it is available in my quick access toolbar and then you will select OK. So first we will select the video and then by holding the shift button, I will select the text box. Then I will go to merge shape option. I will click on drop down and I will select intersect. That's pretty quick and easy. Now you can resize this like this and place it exactly in the center. Now if I click on this video, I will go to video format and in the video border, I will select a desired border size and the desired border color. Let us say I will select the black color, so it will look like this. But if you have a dark background, so let me select a dark background like this. Suppose I choose black. So you can even choose a border with white color or the light colors. Like this. Now let us change some setting in the playback option. So we will go to playback. Here you can see multiple options where you can start the video play. So I will select automatically start the video playing and I will click on this checkbox loop until stopped. So these are the changes we need to make after merging the video. And the last step is we need to add an animation of grow and shrink. So we will go to animation. Then I will select on add animation and I will select grow shrink. Then I'll go to animation pane. I will start with previous. I will go to effect options and let me select custom zoom in and I will select 120. I'll hit enter and I'll select OK. So now if I click on preview, it is completely working. So one thing you need to make sure is that while you add animation, go to add animation instead of directly selecting grow shrink over here. So there will be two animation over here. One will be the video animation, which is by default present, and we will add an animation of grow string. So there will be two animation over here. And let me show you one thing, that I am using Microsoft Home and Student 2019 version. So some feature may or may not be available in your system, but as per my knowledge, it is available in almost all the versions of the PowerPoint. So now let us see what we have made till now. This is looking quite awesome. So with this, we have completed this challenge. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and share it with your friends. Feedback and comments for this video are also welcome in the comment box, so you can comment down there. And now it's time to say you goodbye.